no gold is not enough.
Hey loves! So the reason that I look like a reincarnated Casper is because one, I am a ghost and vampire. I'm kind of like a hybrid. We're not getting into that. Today, I am going to be doing a trend. I know I am late to this trend. I will probably always be late to a trend. Let's just get that clear. So I've been seeing a trend going around in the beauty community that is called like viewers choose my makeup or something like that. I don't really know. Haven't really watched many of them, but I was like, you know what? That sounds pretty cool, but I don't know how I do that. And then it just hit me. If you guys don't know me, I do a lot of live streams and I get quite a bit of viewers on there. I thought I would go on a live stream and let you guys choose my makeup on a live stream. This is probably a very bad idea and I will not like the end result, but you know what? Let's try it. Let's have fun. Let's experiment with makeup. So if you guys are wondering what app I'm using for this live stream, I'm going to be using the Like app. My name will be down below in the description. Please go follow me there. Or if you're from Like, what's up? Most of you guys are from Like or Musical.ly, so hi, thank you for following me. I appreciate your support. And yeah, let's just get into this because to be honest, I'm quite nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. There's no reason for me to be nervous, but I am, so let's just go. Also for this challenge, just a little disclaimer, I already put on my concealer and foundation because to be honest, I only use like one concealer. I only use one type of foundation just because I found out what works for my skin. I just figured I'd not go through that pain of trying to figure out what I'm going to use on my skin and just put it on, but they're still going to choose my contour, my blush, my highlight, eyebrows, all that fun stuff, so we're not missing out on much. First, we're going to start off with contour. This could either turn really good or really bad. Choose one of these three colors, this being 1, 2, or 3 for my contour colors. You guys get to choose. We'll go with 3. You guys are going to try and kill me. You're going to try and turn me into something horrible. And I'm not mad at that. I don't even know if that was English that came out of my mouth, but I'm legitimately gonna try and make this look really good. I think we accomplished it without completely making me look horrible. Oh my gosh, they look like the same color, but you know what? I'm gonna hold this up. 1, 2, or 3. What do you guys think? Seeing 2s, we're gonna go with 2. I haven't used this one yet, but it looks nice. So it's 1, 2, or 3. Okay, 2 is winning, which is actually one of my favorites. You guys are gonna tell me, should I do my eyebrows? Should I leave them as they are, so bare? Or should I make them bushy, natural, or Instagram eyebrows? Instagram. I'm seeing a lot of Instagram. Okay, I'm going Instagram. I have 4 eyeshadow palettes I chose for you guys, and you guys won't be able to see the inside. You just have to choose off the packaging which one we're going to use for this whole look. So is it gonna be number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? 2. 2 is definitely 1. Okay, so you guys chose the Natural Love palette by Too Faced. I love you guys. You guys know that I love Too Faced. And we've got these colors. Out of these, what color you think I should put in my transition? Like in my crease. Where should I put it? Like what color? I'm seeing a lot of pink. So there's about 3 pink colors. Which pink? 1, 2, or 3? We're going with 2, which is called it's called Bunny Nose. What's actually funny is I think most of you guys were trying to screw me over thinking that this palette was actually like really bright colors, but joke's on you, this is the most natural palette I have. What's the next color? I'm just gonna let you guys choose the next color. I think we maybe need to change up palettes because I know that this one's nice, but I want to give you guys more colors and you guys are seeming to want different colors. So I'll help you along. What colors do you guys want? I'm seeing a lot of red now. We're gonna go with red. I don't know how red they're gonna turn out because they don't have an actual like red color. So they went with this color, which is like a more vibrant orange red. It's gonna look good. I have a feeling this is gonna be a good color. I'm gonna put this like in my outer V and blend it into my crease. We need an inner corner, so like right here is where I need color. What color do you think I should put for my inner corner? I'm seeing a lot of blues. We're gonna go with blue. Okay, so this is the blue on. Do you guys think I should make it like darker on the outside edges, or do you think it's good? It looks like most people are saying it looks fine. Okay, now under eye. What color should we put underneath here? I'm seeing peach, so let's choose one of these 3 colors. 1, 2, or 3. I'm seeing a lot of ones. I'm gonna go with 1. I'm not gonna choose a color of eyeliner. I'm gonna use my trusty eyeliner that I always use, but should the wing of it be thick, medium, small, or no wing? Just like stop it at the end of my eye. I'm seeing a lot of medium. And we're going with medium. What mascara do you guys think I should choose? I got like 2 different ones that I'm trusting right now. You guys get to choose, silver or pink. You guys want pink, so we're going off with the knockoff Better Than Sex Too Faced by L'Oreal. You guys get to choose what I do to my lips. So what lipstick color do you think would complement this look amazingly? I knew everyone was gonna choose red. I literally knew that everyone was gonna choose red. Every single live stream I'm on, people ask me to put red lipstick on. I don't know why. I don't understand it. So they chose red, so we're going with the Makeup Forever. Alright, this is the end of the look. You guys chose this. Altogether though, I mean, I'm not hating it. I don't love it, I don't hate it. I'm very undecided on it. Everyone's just laughing in the comments. So these are all the lovely people that made me look the way I am today. They are the reason for this beautifulness. Oh my gosh. So this is the final look from my viewers. They chose my makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit that subscribe button down below. In fact, just hit the notification button because it's pretty much the new subscribe button and it lets you know whenever I post. Otherwise, you probably won't know because YouTube doesn't decide to tell anyone anymore. So I hope that you guys will hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, give me some comments down below of any other videos that you'd like me to do in the future, and I'll definitely consider doing them. And I love you all. Thank you so much for being a part of my weird family. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!